The British Isles. People and places. Jonas has a question for Olav during the English lesson. Jonas, what is the difference between England and Great Britain? And what is the UK? I don't understand. Can you explain? Okay, Jonas, I will try to explain the difference. The British Isles consist of 2 large islands and about 6,000 smaller islands. There are 5 countries in the British Isles: England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland and Ireland. The United Kingdom, the UK, is England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Great Britain is England, Scotland and Wales. But Ireland, what is the Republic of Ireland? Republic of Ireland is an independent country. Oh, that's difficult to remember. Olav. Yes, but it's easier to understand when you look at the map. More than 70 million people live in the British Isles. Most of them speak English, but in some areas people also use other languages like Scots and Irish. I didn't know that. I thought people there only spoke English. The British Isles also has immigrants from many different countries. Some of those immigrants only use their mother tongue, but most of them also speak English. Remember, people who live in England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland are called British. People who live in Ireland are Irish. After the break, we're going to meet some people who come from the British Isles. They are going to talk about their home countries. Scotland. After the break, Olav shows the class a YouTube film of 3 people from the British Isles. They talk about where they come from. Hi, I'm Tamsin and I'm a medical student from Edinburgh in Scotland. Scotland is situated north of England and has a population of about 5 million people. Edinburgh is the capital and the center of education and business, but the largest city is Glasgow. I think Scotland is a fantastic country with its many mountains and lakes. Scots call them lochs, not lakes. The most famous lake is Loch Ness. Some people believe a monster called Nessie lives in Loch Ness. I don't think it's true, but some of my friends do. Did you know that we have special skirts for men in Scotland? The skirts are called kilts, and men wear them at weddings and other big celebrations. A bagpipe is a traditional Scottish musical instrument. It is made from wood and animal skin and makes a very special sound. Haggis is the national dish of Scotland. It consists of a sheep's heart, liver and lungs, onions and oats. Golf is a popular sport in Scotland, and some people say Scotland is the home of golf. Another special thing is that there are many people with red hair in Scotland, just like me. Ireland. Hello, I'm Roddy and I live in Dublin, the capital of the Republic of Ireland. I lived in the city of Cork for 22 years, but I moved to Dublin 7 years ago. Now I work at a pub here in the evenings and I really enjoy it. Pubs are very important to many Irish people. They come to have a beer, chat with friends, and listen to traditional Irish music. A pub is a great place to work in. Ireland is most famous for its literature and music. Many great authors and musicians come from Ireland. My favorite band is U2. Have you heard of them? Dublin is a very old city, but today it's a center of business and modern technology. Companies like Google, Facebook and Twitter have offices here. St. Stephen's Green is a beautiful park in the center of Dublin. I like to go there with my girlfriend sometimes. About 5 million people live in Ireland today. In the 1800s, there was a famine in the country, and many people emigrated to America to start a better life. I think Ireland is a beautiful country because it's so green. We have mountains and lakes, and on the coast there are high cliffs and sandy beaches. By the way, did you know that Norwegian Vikings ruled over parts of Ireland for more than 200 years? Well, that was over 1,000 years ago.